Hey guys, we're back, and yes, we're back at our spawn location because I died, and I'm back because of the amazing Morph mod. And I have died a lot. Oh no, I just came back on. Don't have permission. Oh, it was because I pressed enter. Oh, oh well. Anyways, I apparently suffocate in a wall. But the amazing thing about the attack of BT mod pack is that when you die, your stuff just goes into like a gravestone, so you don't actually lose it unless a creeper blows up your gravestone, then you're screwed. But if we see on the map, I've died a lot, and the base is here. That's part of it, but we're destroying that. That was the old house. Thought I would make a new one. I don't know why. It just seemed like a good idea. And everything seems more organized, so does he have a backpack? Nope. Do any of these? Nope. He didn't seem too happy. Let's go visit the witch. Blow up. I just want to go into the witch's house. Right behind me. Nope. Oh, I'm sure we've already searched. Nope. Oh well, that wasn't a bad find. Right, so we'll just head off to this red dot over in this direction, and don't like lightning. But yeah, we'll just make our way back to the house and search this witch house first. Oh no, I hate them spiders. I will forget about that witch house because them spiders are a nightmare to deal with. And if you're wondering why we can't see a thing, it's because of this biome. See, everything's clear now. Oh my god, a tornado. A naturally spawning tornado. Holy poop. I've literally never saw one of these. Is it pulling me in? Don't know why I'm attempting to go up to it. Can't tell if it's pulling me in. No, it's not. It's going to it. I'm dying just because hunger's low. No, the tornado actually doesn't seem to affect me. Oh my god, if this goes near the base, it's gone. Look how wide it's got. Jesus. I don't actually know what tornadoes can do. But I'm pretty sure like if it's blocks placed by a person, like it can take them away. Oh my god. This is horrible, but while I'm here I need red saplings. Red stained, yes. Whoa. I'm being pushed away. Yeah, I am not touching that. I thought it would have pulled me closer. Oh, this is exciting. Right, I'll just get the spruce wood and then red saplings. I need the red saplings from an automated storage system thing. We'll see once it's done. Please drop a sapling. No, come on. Oh, it's still. I just saw diamonds as well. Come on, one sapling's all I need. Actually, I think I need two, but you know, we can plan. Tornado's still going. Jeez. I don't quite know what causes the tornadoes, but I know that on the Attack the B team, you do get heat things like. Oh, hold on. As if you're too hot or too cold, stuff like that. You can get them, so Why? God, no. Oh well, back to follow the tornado. See how it's doing. Ah, it's disappearing now. No, it's not affecting me anymore, but before when I was over by the red tree it was pushing me away, and I expected it more to drag me in and kill me, but maybe it's because I was a bat, it never really had much of an effect. But we'll just head back to the base now and get everything sorted up. But I need I need to make all these things, and I need red saplings or rose red dye. I don't even think I've got the roses to make the dye, so that will be very successful. But yeah, we'll just head back and get everything done. Should be very exciting. I'm sure almost here. Here we are. Just over here. Yep, there it is. Looks like a moldy penis. To be honest, it doesn't look anything like a penis, but another cool thing about this mod pack is you get puddles, so like, it's not actually a huge puddle, it's just a small indent into the ground. See, here we go, there's my grave. See, somehow I suffocated here. Don't know how it happened, and all my stuff will drop. So, I've got loads of diamonds, went mining. Got all of these pipes here. And I need some of them, some of them, some of them, some of them. No reds though, I don't think. So, I've got my smeltery made. It's a little place where I'll cast my stuff. I just need to sort out this room. Should have some smooth. Should be some smooth stone. No, don't bother. I think I need a fair bit more than this. I'm just gonna keep the ceiling as a smooth stone. It doesn't look that bad. So yeah, we have 3 floors. And another thing I wanted to show you was carpenter's blocks. Right, I think I showed you on the door. See, this is where the old base was. We have a lot of stuff still in here. So, carpenter's blocks, where are they? Here. So we'll just head back in. Think a lot. Yeah, I need a crafting bench to do it. Think. Yeah, this. Please tell me I've got wool. I left it in the house. See, this is why I need my sorting system done. And I'm sick of having no food. Really frustrating. Right, we'll quickly return. Close the door. And one thing I've not found a lot of is coal. Literally none. And I don't quite understand why. Carpenter's bed. One sec, just let me sort this. Oh, have to do it. Right, and then this can go into here, and I can take half, put that in there. Right, now we just have to go up to the top floor, place my bed. I'm sure if I click on it with the hammer, yeah, see I can change certain bits of it, and if I had any spruce wood left, could have gave it a wood finish. Yeah, but I can change the texture of the bed, so I can make it into almost any block. So I can make it normal marble, cobble, glass, I think so, wool, You can just do a lot of stuff with it. Right, oh, gonna have to change back to normal. I'm gonna get like a teleport block so that I can just press shift, I think, and it teleports me down. So that should be fun. Once it's done. And the squid makes me swim really fast. Don't know if I showed you that in the last episode of it. But we're progressing quite well. Just get this. Start filling in all the holes. Right. There, here. But yeah, the automatic sorting system, it's really effective. It's slightly slow, but it's still going to be faster than going and searching through all your chests for that one thing. So it'll be effective anyways. And I can hide all the chests and hide the pipes. Like this mod pack doesn't really have much technology in it, so like it's technology but it's not complex, it's easy enough to do that pretty much anyone can do. That's what puts me off tech. I don't understand all the machinery stuff and it's all too complicated. Right, there's that done. No, it's not. No one likes a spot of cobblestone. We'll have to create a little mine. That's an idea. I don't have enough coal to supply all of these, but just add a little, make the wall look a little bit more even. And give me that. You can maybe put just marble. Yeah, that looks okay. Marble looks a bit out of place just because of the darker textures of the things, and I need torches. Oh, but God. Oh no! When I moved it, all my stuff disappeared. Aluminium, lead. I'm running low on lava as well. That's a problem. Quickly go back in here. We'll destroy all this stuff soon once I manage to get it all over. Take the lead. Tin. This is apparently a really rare ore. Just don't quite understand how to use it yet. Well, like what its uses are. But as I think if I press R. What? Oh no, R sorts my inventory, doesn't it? Right, if I find it. No. Nothing. No. Right, just head back over here. Did I actually get what I wanted? Yeah, I did. Right, I don't know about that. Lead, silver, gold. Really, I'm unsure, but I need more aluminium. Oh no, I need copper, I'm sure in it. Got copper somewhere, surely. We'll just check. Rod. Tool rod or tough rod. I think it's this one. Molten aluminium brass. So I think I need copper as well as aluminium. Right. That's something we can do just now. start taking this stuff away. I've still got the cold, so you know it's not gonna sound very good. But some things you just have to live with, sadly. Try to take all these ores. Iron. God. And that's my pick gone. Please don't be a mob. Oh, there's marble. And I'm sure I've got copper soot somewhere. Do I even have chests? No, but we can get some. I think we can get some. Come on. Let's pick up the chests. Oh my god, no. Seriously, just done that. Right, it should be around. There we go. Quickly make our way back here and get them placed. Oh my god. This is alright, yes. It's painful. That's one problem, will always being low on health. Fight me. Fight me. Yeah, you go hear these mouse clicks and it's gonna be fairly annoying, I would imagine. There we go. I really need light, so coal is essential. And where are my chests? No, we'll just set them out like normal. Just put everything in. Apart from useful stuff. Right, perfect. Some sticks in here. Keep that in there. No sticks, no wood. Right there. Let's make my pickaxe now. And there. Right, well. Just head back up and out. Quickly pick up all. Oh, there's my diamond saw. Yeah, that's one thing. That thing you probably just saw flickering about the screen, that's a micro block. You use the diamond saw with that, and it's just amazing. Like, that's how. I'll show you in a sec. That's how these were made, and this. By using it in the saw and then like creating a circle around the center point, and it's just amazing. Now I'm gonna have to look. Oh, that was a lucky one. Right, quickly transport everything back. Here. And go get everything else. Hope nothing despawns. Not exactly got anything of importance, really. Diamonds aren't hard to get. There's not really much that is hard to get in this mod pack, so it's just more of an adventurous one, which makes it exciting. Let's chuck all this away. Right. We got an idea for just now. Since I've got basically a little mine here, we may as well use it. So if I just continue to mine, yeah, so this will be a good idea. I can just mine one block because I'm a bat, and like I can fit through, and then mobs won't be able to get to me either. And I'm sure lapis is a really good resource in this mod pack, so that'll be good. There's some copper, perfect. Now I should be able to make the rod template thing, I think. Not 100% sure on that, but should be able to. So just, what's this? Lead. There's a lot of weirdos. So we'll just get the rest of this. I don't like leaving any behind, it doesn't feel right. Just seeing it there, oh my god. There's so much. That's what we need, is a hammer. If you mine hammer, it's not as quick as like a pickaxe, but if you mine the center block, it will take out a 3x3. Like, just so, like, say I hit here, it take like all the way around, but not behind it until you mine behind. So it's really effective. It will be big. This episode will be a like boat to finish, so we'll just get the rest of this, and then we'll quickly fly back to the house, and I'll do some more mining off camera, and then we'll be back for the next episode. Just after I've got the rest of my copper. Jeez, there's so much. It's good but bad because it's so boring mining all, but you need it. I'd just get this. Don't actually think I'll have enough aluminium to make it. That might be a problem. Quickly fly back and up to the house. Also, in the next episode I'll probably have that house gone. Right. What was he doing? Yeah. Oh, I was panicking there. So we have plenty of molten lead, aluminium, and I need steam turbine. See, all this, they're adding new stuff all the time. Aluminium, brass. 1000 MB. Don't know what that means. See after. I'm sure just tap that and it should start flowing once I've picked it. Right, we'll see what happens once all these go through. Ouch. And no. They're molten aluminium brass. So now that should be selected. Right click. Might not flow because we don't have enough. Or is that the wrong thing? Yeah, I need a tough rod. How do I make the tough rod again? This can be a problem. How do I make the tough rod? Oh, is it not this kind of stone? No, that's a tool rod. How did I do this? Tool rod, tool rod. Quickly Google it. Stone tool rod. That doesn't help. That's the wrong one. How about this one? Doesn't seem to help either. This is no good. Stone tool rod craft. Tool rod. People are saying not really much, to be honest. It's tool rod, tool rod. So when you make it with normal stone, oh, this might be it. No, apparently not. Maybe just all cobble. How did I do this? It's gonna really annoy me. Quickly Google it one more time. Rod, stone tough rod. Rod cast. Well, that doesn't help either. This is no good. Maybe this will help. Or if I go and press R. Oh, do I maybe need... How do I get these tough rods? Tough. Huh? This ain't helping. Wait, where's this? Place that and... aluminium brass. I just heard a zombie. Right, why? Right guys, this episode's dragged on long enough, so we'll continue. I'll probably have this problem solved by the next episode, so anyways, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.